What's up, guys? Today we have on the menu some coconut curry shrimp and some white rice. Peel your shrimp, devein them. Then we're going to add, after we devein and wash them, some scallion, garlic, and some onions as well. Then after we add that, we're going to go ahead and add the seasoning, my special blend. And after that, what I'm going to do now is mix that together so that the seasoning soak through the shrimp. And then after I let that sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and get some olive oil. I'm going to pour some curry powder into the oil. I'm going to brown that up, preferably with some garlic, minced garlic as well. And basically what I'm doing here is just getting the pan seasoned with the curry powder as well. That helps to add it another flair. Then I'm going to pour in the coconut milk into the pot with the curry powder. And then after I toss that around, get that well around together, I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning already to it, some black pepper and some Old Bay seasoning. And then this will be the finished product here as far as the curry sauce goes. I'm going to go ahead now. I'm going to put back the shrimp into the coconut curry. And then voila, boom, there it is. Coconut curry shrimp. I've also added a pinch of butter, not a whole bunch because I don't want the sauce to be super greasy. So I've added just a pinch of butter there. And here you have it. Coconut curry shrimp. Next thing you have is the presentation. Bon appetit. Hey guys, make sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and also be sure to subscribe to my YouTube page. Bless up.